Okay, so this is just a quick demo of what the new file upload in Forms looks like. So if I load up this form, and this is just a very simple form that's got one question in and it's got one response so far, but we're going to add another one. So we've got this question, which is now you've got the option for file upload, and you can set the maximum file size, number of megabytes, anything from 1 to 10,000. And you can select the file type allowed. So I've got image selected here, but you can select any type of file or just a particular type of file. And I've set that as a required question. What I've also done is set up a sheet for the responses to go into. Well, you don't need to do that. You can see there's one response there waiting already. So let's just submit a response and see what it looks like from the form sender's point of view, or form filler in's point of view. Test file upload form. So we're going to add a file. We'll select a file from computer, I think. And I've probably got lots and lots of various image files knocking around. Let's pick one of our school desktops. Let's pick that one randomly. So that's a 106K file. So that's within the 10 meg limit. So you can see that it appears as a file there. So I click on submit. There we go. So if I go to responses now on my form, I've got two responses. So you can see the test student and myself have filled it in, and you've got these files. Now what it does, which is quite neat, is take the file name and injects the name of the recipient into it. So I know that that file that was originally called number 6 comes from me, and I know that this one called Space to Talk comes from student, test student. So you can click on the files here to open them up, or we can fire up the spreadsheet, which I've got here. And what's quite useful in the spreadsheet, it puts in a hyperlink to the file that's been uploaded. And it doesn't just dump it randomly into your Google Drive. What it does is actually create a folder structure, a bit like Classroom. So here we go, test upload form. So it'll create a folder for that form. And inside that folder, you'll have a folder with the name of the question, please upload a file. And in there, you'll have the two files that have been uploaded with the name of the person injected into the file name. So it's really quite cool and quite a sophisticated way of gathering files from people, maybe application forms, maybe registration forms. You can imagine lots of potential uses for this, entries for a competition perhaps. So there's lots of ways you could potentially use this, and that's really all there is to it.